Good morning. I am very excited because today we are going with our friends over to Sculptoreum. So it's up by Matakana, which is like an hour north of us. I am very ambitious and hopeful about the weather. So I'm wearing like very summery, comfy clothes, but I feel like I'm gonna get cold, so I'm also bringing like a winter coat. I don't know. The season is just so, you never know what you're gonna get. So yeah, we have a big old bag packed full of snacks, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. We've heard about Sculptureum a lot from our friends, and every time we look at it online, we're like, I don't want to pay those prices because we are so cheap. I'm sorry. Anyways, I think we're all ready to go. We're gonna hop in the car and make the drive up there. So excited. We're at the Honey Center right now. We passed this last time we came up to Matakana markets, and I really wanted to go, and it didn't happen, so we made it happen this time. So we're gonna go get some honey ice cream and just check it out and see what they have. It's honey. Just dripped. Is that yummy?
That was Manuka. Which one are you gonna get?
Oh, I don't know. Which one do you want, William? Oh, that one? Okay.
That does sound pretty good.
Billy got an affogato. Is it good?
The honey's good.
We've heard about this place from so many friends, and so we finally made it out here. We found out that our friend, her godmother and godfather, actually like run and own this place. So we made the trip out here, and it is so worth it. It's really fun.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. Like, it's just amazing that they've created this place, honestly. They're so cute.
What are the little, are they Legos?
I don't know, I think they might be Legos, yeah.
Sad dog.
I think one of the biggest thing that kind of blows me away is just thinking before they got here, this used to just be plain land, but they managed to turn it into something so creative and unique, and it is such an experience to actually come here and walk through it for yourself. Like, even thinking about how much care and thought has gone into the landscaping of this place just blows me away.
Where is he, Beck?
Another big theme that I noticed throughout is that they really like to take just kind of scrap and junk from different things, and they combine it into pieces of art. Like, one thing was made out of old washing machines, and there was one thing made completely out of old forks. So it's just really cool to see people's creativity and what they can come up with. It's like, woo!
Oh my god, it'd be so much fun rock climbing on.
Great performance. This is totally the reason why I wear skirts, right? I definitely was a little too optimistic about the weather. I ended up wearing my coat and my boots.
Oh, that one's so wet.
That's a dog, yeah. A duck.
Got this shirt for $5 at Walmart. Want to eat over here? Okay.
Perfect. Nice work. So far, he's mostly been impressed with the fences, the rocks, and the moving doors. Where are you going?
The man on this seat is Mark Twain.
Can you poke, where's his nose?
Nose. Nose. Ah! This is gonna sound weird, but one of my favorite things is that it's just a single path that takes you through the whole thing. I just love not having to make decisions. It also forces the toddler along in the right direction. I love it. Now we're gonna head over to Sawmill Brewery, which Sawmill is Billy's favorite beer brand here that we have found. I think he's claimed that once. I don't know if he changed his mind, but we're gonna go and get some yummy food, hopefully, and some good beer. Well, not me, but you know. Little Sebastian. This giant spoon. Something that I love and actually really appreciate about New Zealand is that the breweries are always so kid-friendly. I feel like most pubs or breweries, you know, you don't think to bring your kids there, but that excludes a huge percentage of the population. And I just love and appreciate when I can go along with a lot of things because I can bring my toddler with me. Like this one, for example, had this really fun obstacle course that they had just right outside. And they also had coloring books, and I know a lot of places have lots of toys and just a lot of options to play with to keep kids entertained. But I think that's it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Today was just so beautiful and relaxing. Just one of those days where you have nothing but fun things planned with good people and good food. And we got to explore some new places, 3 new places today that we've never been, which is just my favorite. So I am gonna end this vlog here and I will see you guys next week. Thanks for coming along. Bye.